It's busy in the port of Rotterdam, extremely busy. Every year some 30,000 ships put in at the port, good for the transfer of 420 million tons of cargo. And this has consequences for all the parties involved, such as shipowner, pilot, terminal, agent and captain. And it's becoming ever more important that a ship should berth quickly and safely, so that loading and unloading can start immediately, because in this logistical process, time is money. The boatmen of the KRVE, the Royal Dutch Boatmen's Association Eendracht, have a crucial role in this handling of ships in the port. The KRVE, an independent association in which the approximately 260 members make the decisions. Founded in 1895, operating from 13 locations in the port of Rotterdam. Among other things, responsible for the berthing of all seagoing vessels, 24/7, every day of the year. Work that is becoming ever more complicated due to the greater demands put upon these professionals, the increasing size of ships, smaller crews, and the shorter turnaround times for ships in port. Thanks to its well-trained people, the KRVE is able to keep up with these developments. For example, everyone has a certificate to sail large vessels on inland waterways, has followed a 4-year course, and has an official boatman's diploma recognized by the ministry. Theory lessons are given in collaboration with the Shipping and Transport College in Rotterdam. Practical training is provided by the KRVE itself.
Laat vieren, dan komt de zeeboot natuurlijk in de problemen. En dan komt hij misschien in de schroef uit van die boten van de zeeboot. Dan moet je even inderdaad houden. Dan moet je een beetje doorvaren.
In addition to their training and certificate to sail large vessels on inland waterways, the boatmen have expertise in first aid, business safety check, technical radar, dangerous substances, etc. On top of this, every boatman learns about ships and waterways. To be able to carry out all these activities as well as possible, the KRVE has a modern fleet of more than 60 ships, including several extremely fast tenders that, in an emergency, can come to a halt within a ship's length. There are also pilot boats, stores boats and mooring launches. And the KRVE also has specialized equipment such as the pilot and winch vehicles.
Proberen we maar naar de botlek te komen, dan sturen we al snel een boot daarheen.
All these different activities and shipping movements are coordinated from a central control room staffed by professional planners who can see all shipping movements and intervene if necessary. But with its extensive knowledge of the Port of Rotterdam, the KRVE has more to offer, such as disaster aid. So exercises are held regularly with the Port Authority and the Port Police. With its pilot boats and vehicles, the KRVE also plays an important role in transferring the pilots and other professionals, such as shipping agents and surveyors, to and from the ships. And also, if a special package has to be brought, clearly under special conditions.
4 om 2 vastmaken, krijg je eerst 1 spring voor en achter en dan de achtertrossen 2 tegelijk.
A boatman might come on board to support the deck crew and to enable quicker and safer berthing. This too is an extra service that the KRVE can provide. The knowledge and experience gained by the KRVE in everyday practice is used by Mervelands, 100% daughter of the KRVE, for new ships and winch units. These are developed in the first instance for in-house use, but increasingly also for external clients, such as the Pilot Service, the Rotterdam Port Authority, and fellow mooring companies. Another significant development is the shore tension system. This Lloyd's-certified innovation provides extra reliability in the case of strong offshore winds and suction from passing ships, and ensures a stable fixed position for the moored ship. This makes it possible to continue working longer in bad weather conditions. Shore tension also improves safety because the chance of line breaks is reduced substantially. Polymarine Service has a good alternative for the traditional rubber. A new material that is lighter, has greater elasticity and durability, and moreover is 100% recyclable. A unique combination of 9 different base materials that can be custom made for each case. Thanks to its shock-absorbing properties, it's perfect for fenders on quays and offshore platforms. Vibrations in motors and machines are prevented. And of course, Polymarine also provides good protection for the tenders. Collaboration is also an aim of the KRVE. For example, Mervelands works with other parties to develop and produce fast tenders for linemen all over the world. There are already 4 different types on the market. Of course, as a professional organization, the KRVE is a member of various umbrella organizations. The Dutch Boatmen's Association, the European Boatmen's Association, and the International Boatmen and Linesmen Association. The KRVE is thus an indirect discussion partner for the International Maritime Organization. The KRVE also collaborates on international standardization and quality improvement, and is NEN ISO 9001 certified.
Nu kan je hem gewoon zo omhoog hijsen.
There is international cooperation. For example, in the field of safety training, such as here with the Italian boatmen. They work together all over the world on offshore projects. The KRVE, originally set up with a single activity, the mooring of ships. Now more than 100 years later, active on many fronts, all involving services related to that same mooring. Ready for the next 100 years. In short, the KRVE.